All right, so me and my wife, we are about to move to another country, and I obviously will take my beloved amplifiers and gear and guitars with me. I'm not gonna reveal yet to what country we're going to move. I'm just doing final edits of videos I've been filming, because all of the gear, everything will be shipped to the new country, and that will take a while. And like I said, I've been filming a bunch of gear videos. This is now about the Marshall DSL Jason 2000 DSL amplifier, which I'm gonna post. So I'm gonna keep posting 2 videos a week, give or take. Wednesday, Saturday, those days have been kind of like, set when I publish videos. So lots of cool content coming. All right, I'm progressing, as you can see. Delicate instruments. Whew, ready to move. Small stuff still left, but almost everything is packed. So, yeah, the home studio, as you can see, is